As promised earlier in the show, what it's like to be bullied in the victim's own words. A boy talks about what he goes through on a daily basis at school. His name and identity have been concealed, but listen as he describes what it feels like when kids bully him.
I have nightmares about people trying to kill me. People punch me and kick me. It makes me feel like I'm no good. When my teacher's around me, I feel fine, but once my teacher's not around me, I feel really scared. I think why they pick on me is because they're jealous about me, because maybe they don't have what I have. What would you feel like if you got bullied? Just stop and just think about what would happen if you got bullied. I bet in their heart it feels like they're getting, like they're feeling really worse about themselves. If they bully me, then I feel weak, but if they start to bully other people, then they might get stronger, but I feel like I could stand up for them and fight for them. I'm a winner. Everybody's a winner.
Some powerful words there. Tomorrow night on Fox Toledo News, we will tell you what is behind bullying and why kids do it, plus a possible solution to stop bullying in schools. That's tomorrow night at 10.